Check out the Adventure Series 4800SL by designer Eco Homes in New South Wales, Australia. This tiny house features a beautiful Western Red Cedar exterior siding that is both durable and attractive. The full light front door and skylight over the bedroom loft allow plenty of natural light to filter in, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. And with R20 insulation in the walls and R30 insulation in the ceiling, you'll stay comfortable all year round, no matter the weather outside. The tiny home is 4.8 meters long and equipped for permanent or temporary living. The dining and lounge area has a custom couch with storage drawers underneath, a table with stainless steel posts, and a storage ladder. The table and storage ladder are both made from mountain ash to match the kitchen counters. Above the couch is a storage shelf that spans the back wall. In the kitchen is a 2-burner gas cooktop, oven, sink, and small 12V refrigerator. The refrigerator is set in a large storage compartment with pantry. The drawers have soft close guides and the overhead cabinets have LED strip lighting. The counters are made from mountain ash. A pocket door leads into the bathroom, which features a stylish and functional vanity where you can get ready for the day. You'll also find a shower that's perfect for washing away the stress of the day, as well as a mirror cabinet where you can store your toiletries and other essentials. And of course, no modern bathroom would be complete without a composting toilet that's eco-friendly and easy to use. This off-grid tiny house features a bedroom loft that can easily accommodate a king-size bed. Access to the loft is provided by a storage ladder that also doubles as a convenient place to store your belongings. You'll love the cozy and inviting feel of the bedroom, with its skylight and ample natural light. Homes for Bright Living was with you. See you soon.